Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to tell you about the new features and updates in Python version 3.9. So please hit the like button right now, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos and press the bell icon also for more updates like this. Now let's begin with the topic. So first major update is the development cycle. Till 2020, Python has development cycle of 18 months, but now we are going to have development cycle of 12 months, right? Which means now the bug fixes and new feature release is going to be more frequent comparing to the 18-month cycle. It means next version update we are going to see in October 2021. If you need more details on this, Python official announcement link is in description. Next update in Python 3.9 is the now we have PEG parser, which stands for parsing expression grammar instead of LL parser, which is used in the earlier versions. What Python people saying? Python 3.9 uses a new parser based on PEG instead of LL. The new parser's performance is roughly comparable to that of the older parser, but the PEG is more flexible than LL when it comes to designing new language features. We will see start using this flexibility in Python 3.10 and later, which means the execution and performance of the Python will be going to be very much improved. Next major update is now we have two new string methods. First is remove prefix and second one is remove suffix. Now let's see remove prefix first. So here I have compared in 3.7 and 3.9. So when I'm going to use this code in the 3.7, this is the string and I have used this removed prefix, and I want to remove try as the prefix from the try to catch name. And when I'm going to print this, so I'm getting this error, attribute error, string object has no attribute, remove prefix in 3.7. Whereas when I'm going to use in 3.9, we are getting the success output, and output we are getting removing the try as the prefix from the try to catch as to catch only. Right now let's see the remove suffix. So in the remove suffix, this is the same 3.7 and 3.9, and again in 3.7 when I'm going to use this remove suffix, I'm getting the same attribute error because this method is not in 3.7, but when we are going to use in 3.7, yes, we have successfully removed the suffix as catch and we are getting this output as try to. Right now the next major update is dictionary union. Yes guys, we are getting two new operators as merge and as update. So when we are going to use this merge, we are going to use only this pipe sign, and when we want to update any dictionary, then we are going to use this pipe sign along with the equals to sign also. Right now let's see how it will work. Now in the merge in the 3.7, yes, of course it is going to be an error, but in 3.9 we are getting this successful merge. Right, so here I have created this A and B dictionary. When I'm going to merge this in the C, or we are going to create a new dictionary as C, so I'm going to use this pipe sign and I have successfully printed this as merge dictionary. But in 3.7 I'm getting this error. Right, same as when we are going to use the update in 3.7, I am getting this error when I am going to use this update operator, but in 3.9 I am getting the successful output instead of any error. Now we have the next major update is type hinting. Right guys, so in 3.9, like here I have created this method or function, you can say greet all, and here I have passed an argument by the name, and the type of this names is a list, and this list will get all these strings. Right, but when I'm going to execute or call this method, I have passed this parameter as string only. That's why I'm getting this hint as expected type list string got string instead. Right guys, so in 3.9 you are going to get hint also if you are not following the definition of any method, but not getting any error. Yes guys, you will not going to have any error, but yes, of course you will get any hint or notification. You can say that you have passed something else type of the argument, but you have passed something else the type of parameter, right guys? So that's all which I had for this video. These are some cool and new updates in Python version 3.9. I hope you like the shared information. If you want to know about other updates done in latest Python version, I have shared the link is in description box. For now, comment your feedback and queries in the comment section and do subscribe to the channel. See you in next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.